Welcome to your new digital teaching assistant, the NearHub Interactive Smartboard Pro. Let's get started with the basics. Simply touch the screen to wake it up. The intuitive interface is designed for seamless classroom interaction. Write naturally with your finger or the included stylus. The board supports palm rejection, so you can rest your hand while writing. Organize thoughts visually. Create perfect shapes for diagrams. Then use digital sticky notes to brainstorm ideas, categorize concepts, and arrange them collaboratively. Import your lesson materials and annotate in real time. Use highlighters, shapes, and notes to emphasize key points. When you're done, clear the canvas with one tap and get ready for your next lesson. Extend your lessons beyond the board. Open any website to show interactive maps, science simulations, or current events. Make any online content your own. Pause and annotate directly on web pages to guide student focus and add your insights. Turn review into a game. Download your favorite educational apps like Kahoot for live quizzes that boost engagement and instantly check understanding. The NearHub Pro makes teaching more engaging, collaborative, and efficient. Try it in your next class.